A Filipino fisherman found himself in hot water at sea and was given a helping hand by foreign personnel, according to a video released by an embassy. Authorities confirmed he was safely found and stressed the incident serves as a reminder to keep all eggs in one basket when it comes to coordination and respect for national waters. Our Patrick De Jesus reports.
This video released by the Chinese embassy shows a Filipino fisherman who was allegedly assisted by personnel from a warship of the People's Liberation Army Navy. The footage shows several packs of biscuits and bottles of water being handed to the fisherman, who experienced trouble with his boat due to engine failure. The Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG, acknowledged and appreciated the humanitarian gesture. But later, the PCG vessel BRP Cape San Agustin responded to the incident. However, several clarifications were made regarding the incident, which occurred 71 nautical miles from Silangin Island, Zambales. According to PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, there was no coordination with them regarding the condition of the fisherman identified as Larry Tumalis. The fisherman's boat was safely moored to a payaw, and it is not true that he had been stranded at sea for 3 days, as he was located by the mother boat and the PCG less than 24 hours after he set out to sea on the afternoon of December 24. Tariela stressed that the operation of the Chinese destroyer inside the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, or EEZ, was illegal. The official expressed hope that instead of being used as propaganda by China, the incident would serve as recognition of the rights of Filipino fishermen to earn a living in Bajo de Masinloc and other parts of the West Philippine Sea. Meanwhile, Christmas provisions were delivered to troops stationed aboard BRP Sierra Madre at Ayungin Shoal during a sustainment mission conducted on December 23. Led by the AFP Western Command, Noche Buena packages and other essential supplies were delivered. A budal fight was also held as a way to boost morale and strengthen camaraderie among soldiers guarding the West Philippine Sea. Medical check-ups were also conducted for troops aboard BRP Sierra Madre to ensure their good health and readiness. Aside from Ayungin Shoal, the mission also covered other features including Pag-asa Island, Panata Island, Rizal Reef, Kota Island, Parola, Lawak, Likas, and Patag Island.
Libo-libong kilometro ang layo mula sa tahanan, kung saan ang alon ay hindi natutulog.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. extended a special Christmas message recognizing the sacrifices of soldiers stationed far from their families to protect the country's rights and sovereignty.
Kayo ang nag-hold ngayon ng front line ng depensa ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Kanyang kahalaga ang inyong naging trabaho. At you have fulfilled your mission with commitment and with honor and with professionalism. Kaya't magpapasalamat ang buong Pilipinas sa serbisyo ninyo. Merry Christmas.
Along with the holiday greetings, the government assured continued support for troops carrying out their duties in the West Philippine Sea.
Iniisip kung paano kayo matulungan na matupad ang ating sagrado na misyon na huwag bumigay sa harap ng mga kalokohan na ginagawa ng mga Chinese sa atin. Mabuhay kayo.
Batid ko ang hirap na mapalayo sa iyong pamilya, lalo sa mga selebrasyong ito. At lalong-lalo na nakaamba ang panganib sa inyong mga tungkulin. Ngunit sana ay hindi kayo magsasawa o mapapagod na magsilbi sa ating bayan at sa kabila ng mga sakripisyong ito.
Malaki ang tulong na naibibigay ninyo sa kapayapaan ng ating bansa. Kaya't ipagpatuloy ninyo ang magandang ginagawa ninyo dahil ang ating mga kababayan ay umaasa sa inyo upang madepensahan natin at paitaguyod ang soberenya ng ating bayan.
Hangad namin ang inyong masayang pagdiriwang ng Kapaskuhan kasama ang ating mga magigiting ng mga mandaragat at mandirigma sa isla ng Kalayaan Island Group. Muli, ako ay nagagalak at tayo ay nagkita-kita itong nakaraang araw.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.